My goodness gracious. Becker here just loves life. He is interested in everything around him. Got a little bit of case of the zoomies. Hey, sweetheart. Pulls a little on regular leash, but that's because he hasn't been out. Come here, Beck. Sit. Come here. Sit. Good boy. Look at that. Look at that head, that face. Oh, my goodness. He is a good boy. Come here. No, we're not going to go after rabbits and deer. Come on. Zimmy, zimmy, zimmy. So come visit Becker. He is an adorable big-headed boy who is just loving life despite the crappy fact that he's sitting here in a shelter. Becker, sit. Good boy.